Okay, coach, where can I find legit VA jobs that are not scams? Alam mo yung feeling na nag-apply ka, excited ka, tapos biglang may registration fee, tapos may training fund pa? Boom! Scam yan. Pero don't worry, I got you. Here are the 3 foolproof ways to find legit VA jobs. Safe, secure, at 100% real. First, use trusted job platforms. Dito pa lang makakaiwas ka na sa scam. Go for legit sites like onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. Marami pang iba dyan na available. Lahat yan kasi meron silang mga security features na pwedeng pumortekta sa iyo. Huwag basta-basta mag-apply kung saan-saan. Check mo muna kung may verified payment system sila at client reviews. Second, join legit Facebook groups at BA communities. Maraming freelancers ang nakahanap ng trabaho online through Facebook, pero ingat sa too good to be true offers. Sumali ka sa mga reputable groups like the Filipino Freelancers with No Experience o Legit Online Jobs for Pinoys. Dito, meron mga real job post at meron din silang warning system pagdating sa mga scam. And third, always verify the client before accepting yung work. May nag-offer ng trabaho, huwag agad mag-yes. Check the LinkedIn profile, check the company profile, the website, and online presence. Kung wala silang digital footprint at ang daming red flags, maybe, number 1, asking ng upfront payments, well, run. Same din kung gumamit ka ng contracts. Pwede kang gumamit ng HelloSign or DocuSign para protektado ka legally. So, ayan. Use trusted platforms, join legit VA groups, and always verify your client. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad para makuha ng trabaho. Ang dapat lang na nagbabayad, yung client mo sa iyo. So, happy job hunting!